Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. Today's video, it will be a makeup tutorial kind of video. So just showing you like this look. It had like October spooky vibes kind of thing, like fall. I don't know, this is one of my favorite seasons. So I got this look for you guys. I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So we'll start with some yellow eyeshadow. I'm taking A1 and E4 over here, and this is the Norvina makeup palette. So we'll do that as like transition shade, I would say, but like on the crease. So we'll apply that like over here on the top and blend it like upwards kind of thing. Once we have that, we're gonna take some orange. I'm gonna take C3 over here and apply it like right below the yellow that we did. And it's okay, both of them blend because that's what we want. To add some purple eyeshadow, I'm kind of deciding which one we want, but I think I'll go with this one right here. It's Mama Dragon, and this is from the Nikita palette. Tapping it so we don't have that much palette. I can see a little bit over here, but we're gonna clean it at the end. Applying it right under the orange that we applied, but kind of like very on the crease, if that makes sense. Again, it's okay, we're gonna do some cleanup at the end. I'm actually gonna switch to a more flat brush so that it's easier to apply. Alright, this is looking perfect so far. We're gonna now apply some purple eyeshadow all over the eyelid, and we need a more compact brush, so I'm using this one right here. For the eyeshadow, I think I'm gonna go with the Mama Dragon again, and if we need a little bit deeper, we can mix it with the Mystique, which is right next to it. I'll just grab a little bit, tap that palette. Do want it a little bit lighter in the center of the eye, so I'll take my concealer. This is the Morphe Filter Effect Concealer, and we'll do a little bit of cleanup. I'm applying this underneath my eyes, and we're gonna clean that foul out. So I've been loving this mirror. It came in like in a ColourPop pack, like bundle, and I love it. It's super nice for like traveling and just doing my makeup on the go. Alright, we can move on to the next thing now, and I actually want to apply kind of like a gold glitter line on the crease. So we're gonna try to do it either with D2 and D5 and kind of like just mix those two and see which one will get us that approach, and I'm having this small brush to do it. You can see how it's like smudging a little bit. We'll do a cleanup after. Now with a small round brush, we're gonna do the same thing that we did at the bottom, doing like the yellow with orange, kind of like sunset look. We're gonna do it on our lower lash line. Alright, this is looking perfect. Now we're gonna add some mascara to the lower lashes, because I already have I have eyelash extensions that are needed on the top, but definitely on the bottom. Righty, now that we have that, we can finish off the face. And of course, I have some highlighter here, applying it over here and also here, maybe the inner corners as well. Up everything. We obviously want this to last for a while, like we can go out and everything, so we're gonna add some setting spray. It's very subtle, kind of like, I don't know, like you can add that like spooky vibes to the look, and it looks super cute without making it into like a whole costume kind of thing. So yeah, I hope that you guys like it. If you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're unsubscribed, don't forget to subscribe by clicking in the button down below, and also give you guys all my social media links in the description box so you guys can check it out, follow me, talk to me, whatever you guys want to do. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.